It's a mutual thing. Yeah. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good girl, Queen. Good boy, yes. Good boy, Koala. Easy, easy.
And we're stopping.
Everybody's got to
Gotta
pee.
take a leak. This is a true pit stop here.
It's time, yeah. When you gotta go, when you gotta go. Says, yeah, she's still going. Good dogs, good dogs. Well, they've had their soup this morning.
Like, yeah, it looks like a little dehydrated there. Need some water.
They've had their soup this morning already, like, 10 cups of coffee or whatever. It's pretty potent stuff, too. Got a lot of vitamin and mineral supplements in it.
Oh, yeah?
Sometimes it's sort of like day glow when they pee in the snow.
Yeah, it looks like
whoa.
I guess they just took dimes, yeah.
So how do they know how to stop and go? And who's making the decisions?
Well, it was a mutual decision. I could tell people want to stop there, and I stop there often.
Okay, so they're used to it.
Sort of a little bit, and that's just their spot, really. There's a couple spots along the way that are pretty well marked up.
Ah.
But no. And again, the wolves have been a very big help to us this year. Twice this year, the wolves have come along and ate every piece of poop on the trail.
Really?
That's what the wolves do?
Every piece of poop. And what they couldn't, and what they couldn't eat, they rolled in.
Oh my god!
I mean, they did too.
Stop.
It was pretty amazing.
No, it's going. Oh, my hands are frozen off.
Matt's freezing his hands off because he left his gloves on the top of the car yesterday. Yeah, bummer.
Do it too. I said, don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't put them up there.
Don't put them up there. You're gonna forget them, and I did.
Good no. Put them on the windshield, baby.
There you go. That's a good idea.